In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a creator dashboard in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual workspace to track your content and see how it's performing across platforms. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new base from scratch. Give it a clear name like Creator Dashboard so you and your team can find it easily later. Think of this base as the home for everything related to your content and analytics. Next, set up your tables. Begin with a table for content. Add a title field as a single line, which will be the name of each piece of content. Add a platform field as a single select with options like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Using single select keeps your entries consistent and prevents typos from breaking your reports. Add a publish date field as a date so you can sort or filter by schedule. Add a type field as a single select with options like video, post, or story. Finally, add a link field as a URL so you can click straight to the live content. Create a second table called Analytics. Add a field named Content that will link to the content table in a moment. Then add views, likes, comments, and shares as number fields, and a date collected field as a date, so you know when each metric was captured. Quick note before we go on. If you don't have Airtable yet, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description, so you can sign up and follow along. Now, link the tables. In the Analytics table, set the content field to link to the content table. This connection lets each analytics record point to the exact piece of content it's measuring, which is essential for accurate reporting. Add insight with formulas in the Analytics table. Create an engagement field with the formula likes plus comments plus shares divided by views. This gives you an engagement rate. Then create a performance label field with the formula. If the engagement is greater than 0.5, return high, otherwise return low. This quickly flags top content. You can format engagement as a percentage to make it easier to read. Finally, build your dashboard. Open Apps or Interface Designer in the newer UI and add a chart app. Use the Analytics table as your data source. Create a bar chart for views by platform, a line chart for views over time, and a pie chart for content type distribution. Add multiple charts to highlight different insights and arrange them so your most important metrics are front and center. That's it. Keep your tables updated and your dashboard will stay accurate. Thanks for watching.